Got some SSTV action tonight. Vacationing in Maine. I have a fellow from Mexico, XU1YK, and this is what he's sending me. It's a little fuzzy because it's reception isn't wonderful because it's 9:04 Eastern Standard, and propagation on 20 meters has not been very pretty to say the least. But still, SSTV to Mexico in like 7.5 watts. I'm not really pushing the transmitter too hard. I don't want to. But take a look at that. Such a fun mode when you get it all set up.